Welcome to the PTC Library tutorial, Searching the Online Catalog. Today, we're discussing how to use the online catalog and some basic research tips. We've all relied on the ease of searching Google for a variety of tasks, like asking for the directions to the nearest pizza place or the definition of an unfamiliar word. However, research is not quite as simple or straightforward as looking up directions or definitions. Unlike Google, the library's online catalog offers a fine-tuned research tool for finding quality academic information without paywalls or sponsored content. The Primo Platform hosts the library's online catalog, and our Ask a Librarian chat is available 24/7 at the bottom of the screen. To maximize the benefits of using the online catalog, sign in with your Pathway credentials at the top right of your screen. This allows you to view your loans and save and organize the resources you find. Keep an eye out for the citation, permalink, and email options in the online catalog and databases. They make keeping track of your sources and citing them much easier. For our example search, let's research college students and well-being. Start with the advanced search to the right of the search bar. We want to use Boolean operators to separate our search terms to get the best results. Basically, the word "and" narrows your results, including only sources which contain both keywords. The word "or" broadens your results, including sources which contain either keyword. The word "not" excludes similar but irrelevant terms. For example, if I'm searching for information on bats, I don't want to view results about baseball bats. To find ebooks, refine your results by selecting Available Online and Books and add a date range like the last 4 or 5 years. Between You've Got This and The Mindful College Student, I'm going to choose the latter because it was published in the US rather than the UK. The green Available Online link underneath the title and the catalog item record directs you to the databases this ebook is available in. Check out our Tips for Using eBooks research guide for more information. To find a print book, filter by Held by Library instead of Available Online. I've only got a handful of semi-relevant search results. This can happen in research. It just means that we need to adjust our approach and broaden our search. I'm going to try searching for just print books published on mental health in the last few years. Now I've got 41 results to review. Chatter, the voice in our head, why it matters, and how to harness it is exactly what I'm looking for. You can also search PASCAL Delivers to find print books from other college libraries in South Carolina. Using the same search in Pascal, I found the College Student's Guide to Mental Health. Make sure you are signed in to the online catalog to see the request form. If you cannot pick up a book at the Greenwood Library, just send us an email at librarian@ptc.edu and we'll send it to your campus. To find an article, search for articles and other e-resources using the keywords college students and mental health and refine by contains exact phrase. Results can be filtered by article type. When we refine by peer-reviewed journals, we cut our results in half. We can also refine by the journal title, the subject, and the most recent year. Now there are only 30 results to review, which we can sort by most recently published. If I want to find a video on college students and mental health, I just need to filter the resource type by video to find a short video about doing mental health checks through the Wellness app. Click on the 3 dots at the top of the online catalog to find Collection Discovery. Here you can browse the popular children's literature and graphic novels collections. As always, PTC librarians are here to guide you through the research process and help you find sources. Let's get started.